We are taking a look at the Beelink SER4 4700U mini PC in our review today. We will be checking out the features and then running some benchmarks to compare the performance with other models. But let's get started with the unboxing. Inside we have a user manual which is in multiple languages including English, German, Spanish and Italian. Underneath is the Beelink SER4 mini PC. We will take a closer look at it shortly. Inside the box is a power supply. We will include the correct adapter for your country. There are two HDMI cables. One is shorter than the other and is useful if mounting the mini PC behind your display. There is a mounting bracket and some screws to keep it secure, as well as some to install a 2.5-inch drive. The SER4 measures 4.9 by 4.4 by 1.6 inches and weighs 455 grams. Along the front are two USB 3 ports and a USB Type-C port. There's a 3.5mm headphone jack and power button. On the back is a gigabit Ethernet port, two more USB ports and two HDMI for up to triple monitor display. You can remove the 4 screws on the bottom to install a 2.5-inch hard drive or SSD. The Beelink SER4 features the AMD Ryzen 7 4700U processor, which has 6 cores and 8 threads, running at 15 watts TDP. The GPU is a Radeon Graphics with 7 cores, running up to 1600 MHz. There's a choice of up to 64 gigs of DDR4 RAM, and for storage there is support for up to 2 TB of NVMe SSD with space inside for a 2.5-inch hard drive or SSD. For wireless communications there is fast Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. We will perform some system and gaming benchmarks next, then afterwards compare the results with other mini PCs in the same mid-range price category. PassMark pushes the CPU, GPU, RAM and storage to their maximum in the series of tests. The Beelink SER4 scores 4,484. We start with a very good score, amongst the highest in this price range. PCMark is a series of more natural tests covering day-to-day tasks from web browsing to image processing. The SER4 scores 5,224, which is very impressive. It's actually the highest score in the mid-range price category. Cinebench tests the CPU to see its performance with either single or multi-core tests. We ran the multi-core benchmark and got a score of 6,653. It is a good score, beating some of the high-end mini PCs. 3DMark tests the CPU and GPU to see how well they work together in video processing tasks. We got a score of 1,209 on the Beelink, which is a good score. We don't normally do graphics tests on mid-range PCs, but we are getting some great results which are promising for light gaming. CrystalDiskMark runs a series of tests on the storage to see its performance across different reading and writing patterns. We got a highest read speed of 2,559 megs a second and highest write speed of 1,835 megs a second, which are both great speeds for this price range. We start the gaming benchmarks with Forza Horizon 5, which is running at 720p on the very low graphics settings. At the end of the benchmark we got an average of 69 frames per second. As mentioned, we do not usually benchmark games on these PCs, but this one actually performs very well. Next, we take a look at the Final Fantasy XIV benchmark. We are also running this at 720p, but on the maximum graphics settings. We got a score of 5,113, which is a standard rating for playing the game. Again, it's very impressive. You can play the game fine at 720p on maximum graphics. We are running Shadow of the Tomb Raider at 720p on the lowest graphics settings. At the end of the benchmark we got an average of 55 frames per second, which is very good for this quite high demanding game. Our final benchmark is Cyberpunk, which like Tomb Raider is very demanding. We are running at 720p on the low graphics settings. We got an average of 30.66 frames per second at the end of the benchmark. It is a little too low to play this game, as you will see frame drops in busier scenes, but it's still a very good score for this specification. Overall, we are very impressed with the Beelink SER4 benchmark results. Compared to the two other mini PCs in the mid-range category, the SER4 has very good scores. It clearly beats the older SER3, which at this time is the same price, so that's great value for money. Compared to the more expensive HM50 model, there's wins and losses in terms of performance, but a clear winner in terms of pricing. The Beelink SER4 is an amazing mid-range mini PC that is not far off from beating some of the higher end mini PCs. It has great scores in the system benchmarks, meaning you won't have any issues with your daily tasks, whether it be in the home or the office. With its decent graphics processor, you can even do some image editing and very light video editing. And of course, you can very easily sneak in some gaming on lower graphic settings. All in all, this is a definite winner in the mid-range price mini PC category. You can learn more and buy the Beelink SER4 on our stores at DroiX.co.uk for UK orders and DroiX.net for international. That wraps up our Beelink SER4 review. We hope you have found it useful. Like and subscribe to keep up to date with our latest videos, and we hope to see you back in our next one.